everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as you guys may be able to tell from the title, yes, drum rolls please, I have ordered the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. By the way, just before we begin and get into this video, if you guys are new, then welcome to my channel. My name is Saba and I put up fashion and beauty video every week, and if you guys are returning subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, as I said, I'll be reviewing this lovely bad boy, and I've been really waiting for it to arrive, and I also got the brush to go with it. At first I was thinking that I would just use a sponge or my own brush, but then I thought, let's just do the whole thing and do a proper review. So I'm just going to open that up. I ordered the shade medium. Now from the videos and pictures that I'm seeing around, I feel that medium might be a little bit too dark, but we'll see how it goes. So that's what it is. It comes in, so that's the package it comes in, and there are 5 different shades in that. The product that you get in here is 11 grams, and you're meant to use it either for bronzing your face or contouring your face. So for the price, I do feel by the looks of it, it is really slim. There is quite less product in there. However, contouring, you would never use a lot anyway. So the Tantour comes with this brush right here. It is dual-ended brush. It has a thicker side and a smaller side. So that's for blending, and that is for putting the contour shade on. So apparently it is really easy to blend with. So I'm just going to do a swatch to begin with, and then we'll just put it on our face. So here you go, that's the medium shade, and so it is quite easy to blend with. I'm going to take a bit more. So that's what it looks like. The shade is okay. It's like a bronzy color. It's not a dark shade, you know, it hasn't got like an ashy tone underneath, so it would work, I would personally say, very well for bronzing. But I will give it a try for contouring as well, but the shade is perfect for bronzing, I would say. So I'm just going to take this side of the brush and just dip it in. I'm gonna go and draw a line like this, and I want to just blend it in straight away, just in case it kind of sets easily or whatever. So it did blend in really easily, and I do really like the shade. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And also I'm just going to put it on my forehead. And just really like buff it into my hairline. I'm also going to give it a try on my nose. So I mean, the brush is kind of like thick compared to the other brushes that I use for my nose, but we'll still try it. I mean, it kind of worked, but it did not leave the sharpness on my nose. I am going to conceal right next to it, very slightly, just to kind of like, you know, give it a crisp look, which at the moment I am not getting. So using a brush, I'm just going to push that product down like so. Use my fingers to blend it in. And then take this brush again to just match everything up. So I mean, the nose contour is a bit difficult. I will also be taking this quickly underneath my jawline, even though I don't have a double chin, but just to kind of like chisel out my chin area. And just put a little bit more over here. This product is actually really nice. I really do like it. It's so easy to blend, as she said, and it is very true. If you can see, it blends like a dream for me, because the previous ones that I have used so far have not been that easy to blend. So I'm really intrigued with this one. It's really nice. The only thing I think, when I do my nose next time, I'm just going to use a slimmer brush to actually go into my nose and carve it out, because this one is actually quite thick compared to what I would normally use as a brush. But other than that, it is really nice. If you guys see, it has really done good kind of like bronzing slash contouring. You could use like a bit more to give it like more of a bronzing effect, but I kind of like kept a light hand. I am quickly going to apply my blush, because I feel like blush is missing, and it kind of like does not put the look together until and unless you actually go in with the blush and my lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm just going to quickly put on Huda Beauty lipstick, and that's in the shade Game Changer. I've been really loving this shade and using it actually quite a lot. So that's the finished look. I really do love the Huda Beauty Tantour because, as I said before, it's really easy to blend and it looks really nice on my skin. I thought medium would be quite dark, but it's not. It's actually really good. Once everything just comes together, it looks really nice. Other than that, I do think it's not necessary to use this brush. You can obviously go in and use your own brush, but I do like the thickness and depth and how dense this brush is, and I do think that would be really perfect to apply Huda Beauty's foundation, because these type of brushes do really well when it comes to applying full coverage foundation. So I'm definitely going to give this a go for that one. Other than that, the Huda Beauty itself, the Tantour, I would give it a 5 out of 5. And the only thing, it's because it dries from cream to powder, you have to make sure that you keep it shut like that. Do not leave it open because that's going to end up drying quite quickly. And yeah, that concludes my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to do more kind of videos reviewing products, then just leave like comment down below. Let me know, what do you guys want me to review, which product shall I review next. I think I do have NYX foundation next to review, but if there is anything you guys want me to review, just let me know either on my comments down below in YouTube, or you can go on my Instagram on Saba88 and you can just leave a comment over there. And for now, I'm just gonna get go. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share my video, and also do not forget to hit the bell button for notifications whenever I put a new video up. Bye.